This video is about the product, lagfly Spa Moisturizing Natural Oil and Vitamin Gel Gloves for Dry Skin. Helps repair cracked skin and softens hand-woven winter women's gloves. Specification. Material, gel plus nylon plus elastic yarn, color, pink. Glove size, 20.2 x 9.5 centimeters, length * width, as the picture shown how to use. After exfoliating to use would get a better results. 1. Clean the hands with warm water. 2. Apply moisturizing cream of Vaseline or essential oil. 3. Put on the gloves for 30 to 40 minutes. 4. Remove them, no need to wash your hands and feet again. Just wear your cotton socks, and now you can go bed. Package content: 1 pair gloves. This product available online in this link. http://fkrt.it/6fkz4knnnn. Visit www.productnewsgroup.webs.com for more product news. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video useful. Share with your friends and relatives. Subscribe Products News Group Win World channel. God bless. Wish you have a happy life.